1 cup of pineapple helps to boost immunity with vitamin C, aids digestion, reduces inflammation, promotes bone health.
Day 7, question 7. Men ask because we really want to know. So my wife and I, we just finished a project in our home. We were moving a bookshelf from one bedroom in our house into our bedroom. Obviously, this project is going to require us to get the books off of the shelf, get the shelf into our bedroom, and then put the books back on the shelf. So I took the responsibility of getting the books off of the shelf and into 3 crates. So once we got the bookshelf in our room, my wife let me know that the bookshelf was ready and that I could put the books back on. So in typical man form, I say, I'll get to it. Now, of course, for a man, I'll get to it could be 1 day, could be 2 weeks. So I guess my wife, after time, she just got impatient with waiting for me to put the books on the shelf. And so she gathered all of her books out, put them on the shelf, and combined the remaining books into the 2 crates, which messed up the order of how I had the books. Also, I was supposed to take a recipe from one of these books and bring it to a coworker, which I had to explain to her now that I couldn't get that recipe because my books were out of order. And she said to me, let me guess, your wife told you about 2 weeks ago to put those books on the shelf and you didn't do it. And I was like, how do you know that? Are you a fly on my wall? She was like, all men do that. So the question I have for today is, women, if you could get your husband to change just one habit without no questions, what would it be?